When everything seemed perfect right up to the execution, you end up having to drill extra holes around a hole to go ahead and get what you wanted as a trim ring to fit in. So I'm going to drill holes all the way around, chip it out, fill it in, and everything will be good, and it'll be a nice finished look for where the generator cord is going to. When I spray the foam in, what I'm hoping to do is go ahead and fill up these voids in the block. So when you pass the cord through later on, when you want to go ahead and hook up the generator that's outside to the disconnect on the inside that goes to the interlock kit, that you don't have to worry about having your cord fall down in the void and then fighting with it, because usually when you're in a hurry is the time that you want to be least aggravated. And since I know about aggravation sometimes, and I have caused enough to other people, I'm sure, I'd like to go ahead and not do it on this one, since I do know better. This is either going to work really well or it's going to be a real disaster. A rainstorm is coming in. I'm not quite done doing what I'm doing. Trying to get this cover on for that hole in the wall, and we're about to see if I complete that on time or if I get soaking wet in the process. This is going to be real tight, and hopefully it works out. I don't want to leave this big hole in this customer's house with this type of rainstorm coming in above. So right now it looks like it's going to work. I will let you know here in a flash, and hopefully the flash is not a lightning strike clear by, or close by anyway. The bag is now installed so that when I foam from the other side, the foam won't stick to the threads in there or the back of this cover. And in the future, it will be sealed, bug-free, and everything will be exactly like I would like it. So, as always, it is a learning curve. The bag is now installed so that when I foam from the other side, the foam won't stick to the threads in there or the back of this cover. And in the future, it will be sealed, bug-free, and everything will be exactly like I would like it. So, as always, it is a learning curve. It's going to work out really well in here. At least that's what I'm hoping for. So I and my customer are happy. A happy customer, whether I work with him again or not, is great. A referral to somebody else he knows is even better. Always try when you're dealing with foam to go ahead and do something for your customer so that when the foam peels out of the hole that you've just filled with it, it doesn't get everywhere on the floor and it's a royal pain in the neck for anybody to deal with it in the future. So I know this is going to keep expanding. I know it's going to be a mess. I asked my customer to please not move the box, even though it's going to look like he should. And the end game will be tomorrow. We will drill this out with another 4-inch bit that we made the hole with initially, and hopefully it's a nice edged area to pass the cord through when the generator system is all set up and ready to go. We have 2 unnamed low pressures out in the Atlantic right now, and everybody's kind of looking at them and seeing what we need to do, because hurricane season has been very quiet so far, and I know that that will not carry on going into end of August, September, October, and with how hot it's been, maybe it will get into November also, after official hurricane season, I believe, should be over. But in a warming nation and country and world, we'll see what we need to do. Like I saw a cartoon a while ago that Santa Claus was sitting on an iceberg mentioning to one of his elves that all these times they've been giving bad boys and girls coal, maybe they should have rethought it and given them something else. Half of me wants to keep videoing this until it falls out, and the other half of me wants to get back to work. So we'll see how far this goes before I get frustrated with it and go to work. Need to draw a set of plans and take it down to the city and submit it to get a permit out for another generator install. So maybe we'll just go ahead and look like this, and come morning it will all blop into that box, and maybe I will, oh, there it goes down the wall. That was kind of satisfying actually, but now I think I really do need to get to work somewhere else and not here. We will revisit this some later date. Thank you for watching. Completed. Everybody's happy.